Happiest Cat, a short moral story. In a cozy village lived Mittens, a scruffy street cat who always purred. He enjoyed every moment of his carefree life. One day, while exploring the village streets, Mitten met a new friendly cat named Bella. Bella lived in a cozy small cabin with her kind owner. Bella asked, "Why are you so happy without fancy meals or soft beds?" Mittens replied, "Happiness isn't in what you have, but in what you feel. I cherish sunny naps, friendly pats, and chasing butterflies." Bella pondered this and began enjoying simple joys. Soon, the two became inseparable, spreading happiness to everyone they met. Moral: true happiness lies in gratitude and appreciating life's simple pleasures. Thank you for watching.